Good morning, folks. My name is Rich White with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2019. It's a Forest River Heritage Glen LTZ model. It's a 286 RL. This is a great size of a fifth wheel because you can get into a lot of parks, county and state parks, because it isn't super long. Let's go in and take a look at inside at some of the features. As we walk in, I want you to notice we've got the solid steps. They sure are a lot nicer, a lot more solid as you enter and exit a fifth wheel. For not being overly long, this is a great floor plan. You've got the rear living with the two nice chairs in the back, the sleeper sofa here. It's got lots of windows in it. It's got roller blinds. It's got a table and chairs, a table and 4 chairs. Nice Jensen, I'm going to say this is at least a 47-inch TV, flat screen, with your fireplace. You've got an island with your single basin sink in it. People really like these, a lot nicer. It's got a lot of storage in it, a little pantry here. You've got drawers over on this side. Got cabinets with a place for your trash underneath the sink. Your gas grill top, 3-burner grill top here. Nice gas oven here. Lots of counter space in it, which makes it real easy. It's got the Furrion microwave and the hood fan over. You've got more storage up here. It's nice deep storage too. Notice there's no carpet on the steps. That makes going up and down your steps, it's the first place carpet wears out, so it's real nice to have no carpet there. Nice light colors on the wall. It's got the queen bed with windows on both sides of the bed. Makes it really nice for cross ventilation. Nice deep closet, and it is wired if you want to put a washer and dryer in. Shelves even behind the closet. It's pre-wired to have a TV put in the bedroom. Nice set of chests or drawers. And then of course your bathroom right here. Nice big shower, vanity, some storage racks behind the toilet paper holder, which sometimes you don't find on these, so that's always real nice. Nice light colors, very bright inside. Let's go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You've got a nice grab handle coming down. Coach is equipped with alloy wheels. It's got electric awning, of course, outdoor speakers, some outlets here. Nice storage underneath, big deep storage. Battery disconnect is inside there. You also have a place to mount a TV on the exterior of the fifth wheel, which is very nice. Of course, you've got your full docking station right here. Your hot water heater is right next door. Propane tanks are both located on one side, real nice for easy filling. Folks, once again, this is the 2019 Heritage Glen LTZ. It is the 286 rear living. Folks, we have a lot of fifth wheels in for you to take a look at. Various sizes. My name is Rich White with Guaranty RV. please give me a call, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have. You can reach me at 541-521-8914. Have yourself a great day.